Alright, I don't have the heads torqued down yet, but I wanted to go ahead and set the... Well, I've got several different valve covers. Let's see, my hand's probably not clean enough to pick y'all up. Maybe I can. I got these old Holley valve covers. I think they may have been on the Chevrolet Holley with an Edelbrock intake and a Carter AFB carburetor. That's what I'm going to have on it. But I suppose that would do. These are aluminum, and if I knocked all the paint off of them, that might look pretty fair. I got two of these Morosos. I think this one might be an aluminum and that one might be a steel one. And then I've got one plain old Chevy with no writing on it. Which I'd like to have a couple of old Chevys with the writing on them, but these will do. So that gives me a kind of a chance to mock it up. I could take a couple of those pipes and throw on there. I need to go to town and get me another bolt, I think. I need 2 more of these head bolts before I torque them down. And I'm going to want to take off all of these rocker arms and clean them up and clean up inside of there. Somebody that's smarter than me would have done that while I had the heads off, but you know me, I always do things backwards if I can. So, and I don't have my push rods in it yet or any of that, so I might want to decide. I'm short one of these small bolts, and I don't know whether it's worth making a trip all the way to town to get one from. You know, I got a couple of these, but those are 5/8. This is 11/16, and it's half a hair longer, so I'd have to run a washer with it, which I could do, but then I also have to run just an odd size bolt, but I could do that too. Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna have to think a bit what I want to do next, and the possibility I might want to set this thing on something else before I start working toward getting to the point where I'm going to crank it. Tell you what I can do though, while we're all sitting here looking, is I've got several old Chevy water pumps, but I think one of them is probably about right for this year. And it has a fan and a pulley. And it wouldn't hurt to see I could grab me a nut here, slip that on just so we can see. Let's see. That looks to be perfect right there. Now, I'll just spin the screw on that one right quick so we can look at it. See, I am going to run mechanical fan. I'm not one of those kind of people that wants an electric fan. I know I've got one on that Studebaker, but I don't like an electric fan on a hot rod. You know, when you drive a hot rod and you cut the motor off and it goes bzzz, it's like, yeah, that ain't real. That's the way I think. Of course, I'm old. You know, I keep in mind when I was young, electric fans on radiators was not anything that anybody had ever really much thought about or invented. See, that's almost perfect. Well, if this was sitting right, this one right here doesn't seem to have the best threadage on it. You might want a different screw in that one. You might want to clean that out. The way to tell it, by the way, if this is any good or not, is if this bends and it doesn't make a weird noise, and it's basically probably good. These old water pumps will leak if they are bad. I need me some more Chevy bolts, I do believe. I seem to have everything I want to have here.